Your army here in Region 10 is very serious in the effort to declare the whole region as a stable peace security condition here, or the word insurgency free within the year. And we are serious to attain that. We're doing everything that we can, of course, in partnership with all stakeholders, especially the whole government instrumentalities, and even other sectors of society. Isang pumapapel, even the business sector is already helping us. And that's a very good sign. And hopefully, as we go with our efforts, we want to level up in our advocacy team, because though we are tasked to do the hard job, we want it to be finished in the soft approach. So we want them to go down now, for them to realize that the life that they have chosen has nowhere to go, finally within the year. And I encourage everybody, again, especially those, the silent majority of our society, to please participate. Just your words reaching them is enough for us, for them to realize the life that they have. Ganun lang kasimple, if everybody participates in this aspect, I think we can finish it faster than as we planned. So kung 1 year yan, we can finish it in the next semester.
Kami sa Jusud, Region 10, committed yun nga matabang sa RTF-ELCA para maabot niya ang iyang gusto maabot, ang kanang kalambuan para sa atong mga kaigsunan dito sa bukid. Ganina, na-remember na ako nga dito sa Lanao del Norte, kami ni RJ Gulaw, PD pa sa atong panahon namin dito yan tumikap bilang kay amo ang gihimo o homeowners ang ilang mga active na mga dili na active mga BEs dito. Kaya siya, gwapo kayo siya na senyales nga even ang kampo mismo na dapat para sa ilang pakay sa una, nausap na siya, nahimo na siyang homeowners association. Kaya siya pasalamatan na ito ang GNLG uban sa ito ang upapro o kining NHA na itong kaabag sa ito ang pagbutang o housing human settlements dito. So kaya siya ang kining ito ang programa sa mga programa sa RTF-ELCA to answer lang katong ganina. Dito ko kaingon na dili siya efektibo. Kaya makita gid na ko first hand kung unsa ang nausap dinhi sa ato ang rehiyon. So with that, I'd like to congratulate everyone.
Sa atong mga maayong. Thank you, sir, for your very proactive partnership, no, ang atong partner agencies. For RTF-ELCA, we need to sustain and even surpass our accomplishments. We need the support of everybody. There should always be inclusivity so that we can really have an insurgency-free region sa Rehiyon 10. And with that, let us remain to be matinot, mahusay at maasahan para sa bagong Pilipinas.
Government. So on behalf of Presidential Communications Office Secretary J. Ruiz and PIA Director General Catherine Chloe Sinsua de Castro, this is Franco Mapon saying, mayong buntag sa natin.